Hi, just came back in from outside trying to get some work done in my yard before the weather gets too hot this afternoon. So our second installment of Help Suit Game Tries. So if you remember yesterday, we talked about how sometimes it's more beneficial if we can ask partner for help in a specific suit rather than just do you have 8 or 9 instead of 6 or 7 points after they've raised to the 2 level. And the way we can do that is by making a help suit game try. So the first thing is, what does opener need in order to make a help suit game try? So obviously he has to have thinking about the values for game. And if you know you have game, just bid game. So this is a hand that's questionable. The first thing you look for is the first suit in the bidding ladder from the last bid, in which you have 3 or more cards with the potential for 2 or more losers. So, for instance, over 1 spade, 2 spades, 3 clubs would say, partner, I'm interested in game in spades. I have at least 3 clubs, and I have the potential for 2 or more losers in clubs. Can you help me? If the bidding had gone 1 heart, 2 hearts, what's the next bid in the bidding ladder? It's 2 spades. So 2 spades would say, partner, I'm interested in game in hearts, but I have at least 3 spades with the potential for 2 or more losers. Can you help me out? So what does responder do? Well, first off, what's help? Help is an ace in any number of cards, even a singleton ace, a king in any number of cards, a queen and just 1 more, or a queen jack together in any number of cards, or a singleton or void with 4 or more trumps. Now, that's because after the suit's been played one time, you'd be able to trump partner's losers, right? But make sure you have 4 trumps. That's really important. When you're talking about these borderline hands, having that extra trump really makes a difference. So what does responder do? Well, first off, they look and see, do I have help? So today we're going to take the instances where they don't have help. There's 2 things they can do. The most common when they don't have help is it just goes like 1 spade, 2 spades, 3 clubs, and they bid 3 spades. Partner, I don't have help. But if there's room in between the help suit game try and the 3 level of the trump suit, they can show what we call a concentration of value if they have one. So for instance, that would go 1 spade, 2 spades, I bid 3 clubs. Do you have help in clubs? If you bid responder 3 diamonds, you'd be saying, I don't have help in clubs, but I have 2 of the top 3 honors in diamonds. How about that? Does that help you? Then opener decides what to do. Or 1 spade, 2 spades, 3 clubs. If you bid 3 hearts, partner, I don't have help in clubs, but I have a concentration of value in hearts, 2 of the top 3 honors. Does that help you? Can you bid game now? Now that works really well if partner bid 3 clubs because you got lots of steps, right? Not so good if it went 1 spade, 2 spades, 3 hearts. Now we don't have any room. You either bid 3 spades or you bid 4 spades. That's it. Because once you bid past 3 spades, we're already at game. But remember this. When it went 1 spade, 2 spades, and I chose to bid 3 hearts, that kind of said I don't really need help in clubs and I don't really need help in diamonds. Because if I did, I would have used that one. I'm always going to bid the lowest suit in the bidding ladder with 3 or more cards with the potential for 2 or more losers. Tomorrow, we'll look at what do you do if you have help. You'd think you just bid game. Well, that's one of your options, but there's another one too. See you tomorrow.